Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2017 Land Rover Discovery Sport. Gonna do some front brakes. Different video, we're gonna be doing rear brakes as well. All right, front brakes, tire off. Take these little dust covers off to gain access to caliper bolts. Can't see this one down here. Flathead screwdriver works. Just little caps. All right, to take off the calipers is a 11mm Allen head. I loosen these things up first, and then I'm gonna get this. This is fun. Another beautifully over-engineered piece of Land Rover equipment. And this is how I do it. You guys can probably do it whichever way you want, but this is how I got these done. Squeeze this in, you can rock this out. Just like that. Careful, these clips are rather strong, so they don't fairly simple process. Squeeze caliper in just a little bit. Pad off, caliper out. All right, press the caliper back in. And this side doesn't have the sensor, the other side has the sensor. That is another whole piece of beautifully over-engineered Land Rover crap. Quick overview of that one. This bolt comes off, this bolt comes off, this Torx bit comes out. Move the splash shield down and away over this way. Gonna have to take it out of the fender well area right here. The connector for it would be right here, and then a series of little clips up to the sensor area. Why they couldn't make it right there, a little bit easier to get to, I can't answer that. I am not the engineer, so I don't get paid that kind of money. I just fix their shit. All right, customer provided parts, provided me with some different kind of lubricant, which is fine. Whatever, it's all the same. Put a little bit on the back, a little bit on the front one. Here, rotate this around. Yeah, these aren't real good. Cabs, unfortunately, they like to walk themselves out. Grips aren't real strong in the back. All right. You can put some brake grease in here, but there's still plenty on there because you want that caliper to slide back and forth. Push it forward until it locks in place. You can tighten it up. Good and tight. All right, here comes the fun part. This is not too bad going back on. pair of pliers. So I rest it right in here. Put one on first. See? That's what it made me do. Alright. Gonna be one of those. So we're gonna do this. This is the part you gotta be careful with, because that thing likes to snap. Why, oh why? To the other side, go easier. Try this. Killing me. Place, and of course it's not gonna work. Alright, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Hey, over-engineered, complicated pieces of crap. Use pliers. Bend it up that way. Here, you gotta be careful part right here so that thing doesn't pop out. Ta-da! Anti-rattle clip. Just keeps the front half of the caliper from walking around. Don't forget about your dust covers. Just pop in and voila. Thank you for watching.